This rear bumper sill guard is tailored specifically for the 2025 and 2026 Tesla Model Y Juniper trims, so the fit looks factory rather than like an afterthought accessory. The thermoplastic elastomer material feels thick and resilient, giving solid confidence that it can handle daily loading and unloading without quickly scuffing or deforming. Coverage runs across the full trunk sill, including the vulnerable suede area, so grocery bags, strollers, and luggage are far less likely to leave permanent marks. Once positioned, the guard stays put thanks to the hook and loop backing, which keeps it from shifting at the edges over time. Installation is straightforward because it simply tucks under the existing rubber trunk seal, so there is no need for tools or permanent adhesive on the car. The subtle black finish blends well with the Model Y interior and adds a bit of practical protection without drawing unwanted attention or looking bulky.